Good day, everybody. We're going to have a brief discussion on suggested items in the Helicon-Tex Micro Med Kit. Currently, we have the green one available. We've got some other ones on order. This is just to give you an indication what to put in it as a very small, compact medical kit or first aid kit. So first of all, it's got 4 pockets, 2 big ones, 2 small ones. Generally, it's made for medication. So what pain tablets works well, anti-inflammatory, muscle relaxant, your normal standard Panado tablets. Then if you are on medication, you can put that in there as well. Blood pressure medication or for your heart or whatever the case is, you can put that in there. Also a good idea, Renes or Gaviscon if you suffer from heartburn. There's a spare in there. I've put in there a couple of plasters. If you do woodwork as a hobby or whatever the case is, a splinter probe, also a good idea. Some alcohol swabs, that's just standard Panado tablets. A few alcohol swabs, not only for disinfecting small cuts, but works well for cleaning your computer screen or keyboard, or your phone screen. General disinfectant for basically anything. But yeah, that's the Helicon-Tex Micro Med Kit. I've got a little grab handle here as well, and obviously a reflectant so you can get it easily. So yeah, just to recap, pain medication, muscle relaxant, anti-inflammatory medication, the normal pain tablets, something for heartburn, Renes, Gaviscon, whatever the case may be. If you have any medication, you can use that. Use the pocket for that. Alcohol swabs, splinter probes, and plasters. You can even put wet wipes in there, your disinfectant wet wipes. They will fit in there as well. So yeah, basically that is what we suggest you put in something like this. And then obviously you can throw it, it's small enough so you can throw it in your pocket pants, you can throw it in your bag, you can throw it in your handbag for the ladies. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. See you out there.